Hey guys, today I will show you how to make a lamp on fuse tester. Yes, this is the circuit on the breadboard. So let's get started. This is a battery socket. Battery, 9 volts battery, resistors, some transistors, basically NPN transistors, LEDs, any color of your choice, wires, breadboard, and this is a very board in case of soldering. Now let's build. Okay, this is the make of it. And now this is an AC bulb, which we're going to test in the video. And here is another DC bulb, also for testing the video. Now this is the completion of the circuit, and let's give it a try. You can see the LED indicating good, and also this one indicating good. That means the bulb is good. Let's test this faulty LED, this bulb. As you can see, it's not working, so the bulb is faulty. The output voltage from the circuit is around 7.6 volts. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and don't ever miss our videos.